Hello everyone, let's learn what UseState Hook is. Before starting, let's understand what state is. So state in a React component is the data that changes with time. In React component, when data might change with one render to another from time to time, that can also be explained as the change in the state. Okay, so why we need UseState Hook? So to understand that, let's create a function. We will create a button and we will put a variable with initial value, let's take 3, and we will print here. Okay, now we will use on click handler to handle the click. Okay, now we'll create a function to handle the click, and here we will try to we will try to in with the every click variable will be updated by one. So let's console the well. Okay, let's go to the browser. Now if we click this button, we are able to see that the variable is updating, but in our UI we are not seeing any changes. So React don't do the DOM manipulation here unless it is re-rendered. It will not show. So simple variable updates don't trigger re-renders because React doesn't track them. So React's reactivity relies on hooks like use state to register changes that should trigger a re-render and update the DOM accordingly. So we have to keep a few things in our mind. First is that normal variables does not re-render the page, and even if somehow we can render the data, even if somehow we can render it, the data will be lost. So we need a hook like useState to register changes that should trigger a re-render and update the DOM accordingly. Okay, so useState is the hook that we use in React to manipulate the state. So let's use it. So that's how we use it. We are creating a array. The first one is the variable and the second is the update function. We can use any name, whatever name we can just use it. Let's import use state, and here we can put the initial value if we want to. Let's take 3 here, and here we will remove this, and we will update this update of we will update the variable using this functions updater function. So let's set this like, yeah. Now save this, and we will go to the browser and we will click, yeah. So we are able to see the changes here, and we are also able to see the changes in our UI. So this is the most common example to show the use of useState hook in React. Thank you.